Kathleen Arola-Johnson of Creative Solace Studios. I've recently set up a healthy snack tray as part of my wellness routine. So in this episode of my top 5 in 5 minutes, I'll share the 5 steps that I did to do that. The purpose of the tray is to have some enticing, nutritious goodies that are easy to grab. The first step is choosing your tray. I wanted something pretty and eye-catching that would make me feel happy when I reached for something on it. I got this 2-tiered tray at a local thrift store. You can find all kinds of pottery, ceramics, baskets, and even crystal at thrift stores. The next step is to choose your snacks. I'm not going to get into what constitutes healthy. You choose what works for you. I chose to go with all dry snacks, although you could include fruit or homemade nutritious goodies as well. I tried to have a range of flavors from salty, sweet, crunchy. I included a couple beverage mixes and a couple teas, although I have most of my tea in a different basket. Now comes the fun part. Step number 3 is to arrange your snacks. You can either keep them as they are, if they're in a bag or a container, or you can use plastic baggies or plastic containers. If you want to be reminded of snacks that are in the refrigerator, you can make little tags or little cards and put them on here with the names of what's in the fridge, or you could list them on a whiteboard on the fridge, such as blueberries, hummus, carrots, whatever you have keeping cool in the refrigerator. Step number 4 is to display the tray. We want to make sure that you can see it and you and your family can have access to the nutritious bounty that's on it. I chose to put mine on the kitchen island, but it's easy to move either to the kitchen table, to the living room table, or a coffee table. It's nice and portable. The 5th step is to refill the tray. Don't forget to replenish it when it goes empty. I'm keeping a list of healthy snacks that I might want to add to it in the future, so it's easy to reference it when I'm grocery shopping. I hope you've had fun thinking about what you might like to put in your own healthy snack food tray. Drop a message in the comments of this video to let me know any other healthy snacking ideas that you might have to be included. This has been my top 5 in 5 minutes about the steps to set up a nutritious, healthy snack tray.